Let a Bruno Elite custom curved stairlift bring you up and down your staircase safely and easily. With a 400-pound lift capacity and lifetime warranty, the Bruno Elite delivers made-in-America reliability. Simply take a seat, fasten the seatbelt, push the armrest control, and the Bruno Elite effortlessly glides you around every corner and up the stairs. When you reach the top landing, pull the lever, and the seat will swivel up to 90 degrees and lock into place for a safe exit, away from the stairs. Bruno's handcrafted rail beautifully follows the curves of your staircase and is the foundation for the Elite's exceptionally smooth ride from start to finish. And with the Elite hidden gear rack, you see only the graceful rail. Because the rail fits with custom precision, it melds into every corner and ensures maximum open space on the stairs. Fold the arms, seat, and footrest to make the stairlift even more compact when not in use. If a second rider would like to use the lift, wireless remote controls allow them to call or send the stairlift up or down the stairs. To ensure safety, Bruno's Elite features a retractable seatbelt and obstruction safety technology that gently stops the lift if an object on the stairs is in the way. Ask your local Bruno dealer about customizing a Bruno Elite with power options, custom colors, or unique rail park positions to meet your unique abilities and home. Bruno's Elite custom curved stairlift combines a 400-pound lift capacity, made-in-America craftsmanship, and a lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. Get up and down your stairs easy again with a Bruno Elite curved stairlift.